Oh, hi there, everyone. This is your Jamaican girl, Norlene, and today I will do for you one of Jamaica's quick, easy recipe. Today I will be doing for you mackerel, guys, in rich tomato coconut sauce. Guys, however you like your mackerel, I'm sure this is one of your favorite. And so, guys, I invite you to like and subscribe. Please, guys, leave your comment in the comment section and tell me how you like your mackerel. So, guys, I have some chili garlic infused oil. To that, I've added my garlic, guys. I've added some tomatoes, some onions, some bell pepper, guys, and of course, 3/4 cup of coconut milk. Now, guys, I'm gonna allow this to cook until it returns to a fry. Now, guys, I open my tin mackerel, guys. I use all the tomato sauce that it is in, and now, guys, just look at how this has returned to a fry. Next, guys, I'm gonna add a 2 little piece of mackerel in the tin. I was so surprised, guys. This all the mackerel that is in a tin. I'm gonna stir this in nicely, guys, and then we're gonna season up nicely. I'm using some paprika, garlic salt, some all-purpose season, guys, and I'm just gonna open the mackerel in halves, guys, and just allow this to simmer in. Now this smells so good, people. Boy, this year make mackerel turn up 100. Now, guys, I've served this with some basmati rice, some mixed vegetable, and of course, 2 slices of avocado. Guys, look how inviting this look. I'm sure you enjoyed this video, so why not give me a thumbs up? If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so right now. Share my video with your friends, and of course, make sure your post notification is on so you can get noticed as soon as I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Make sure you try this next time you're in your kitchen.